Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're making Paleo butter pecan ice cream. So I have a can of coconut milk here and I'm just going to pour it into a liquid measuring glass. Now I'm adding coconut water. This is fresh coconut water, but you can use canned coconut water, or you don't even have to add coconut water to this ice cream. I just added it because I had it on hand. Then I'm gonna add some maple syrup. Next, I'm going to add vanilla bean paste and whisk that to combine. You can use vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla bean paste, but use the pure vanilla extract because the imitation gives it like a funny aftertaste. I ended up adding 4 more tablespoons of maple syrup. It just wasn't sweet enough for me. You can add more or less maple syrup to your butter pecan ice cream. I'm gonna cover this with plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for 1 hour. I have my ice cream machine set up and ready to go, and I'm just gonna pour the butter pecan ice cream base into it. It's actually been a little more than an hour, probably close to like 3, because I lost electricity, which is pretty common in my area, especially during the summertime, so there was nothing I could do. So that is kind of why the ice cream base looks clumpy, like it's not smooth. Now I'm going to add the candied pecans. These are also Paleo. The link to the video for these is in the description box below, as well as the recipe. The butter pecan ice cream is pretty much done, so I'm just going to turn off the machine and scoop some of it into a dessert glass so I can take some pictures. If you want a firmer texture, place it into an airtight freezer-safe container and freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. I'm just going to garnish the ice cream with a couple candied pecans, and this ice cream was so good. Like, I ate most of this ice cream, I'm not even gonna lie. If you want detailed instructions on how to make this butter pecan ice cream, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.